How to log out or secure your account on Credit Karma. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once you are on the dashboard, look for your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu, click on Sign Out to safely log out of your Credit Karma account. This is important especially if you are using a shared or public computer. To secure your account, click on your profile icon again and select Security Settings. Inside the Security Settings, you can update your password, enable two-factor authentication, and manage devices that are connected to your account. If you notice any unfamiliar activity, go to the Recent Activity section to review logins and sessions. You can also sign out from all devices to prevent unauthorized access. Remember to use a strong, unique password and avoid saving your login info on public devices. Now you know how to log out or secure your account on Credit Karma. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.